Soil mix for raised garden, bed, or box. You made a vegetable box. Layers. Top is raised bed soil, mushroom compost, chicken manure, steer manure, newspaper, and branches or twigs at the bottom. Twigs and branches were just fallen branches without any leaves on them that we found in the yard. Newspaper, we had newspaper roll that didn't have any text on it, but you could just use your local newspaper and put that down on the bottom. We got 2 bags of steer manure mix, and they were about $3 to $5 a piece. We had 2 bags of chicken manure mix, which was about $3 to $5 a piece. Then we got mushroom compost mix, which was the same $3 to $5, and we used 1 bag of that. So we got raised bed soil that was about $6 a piece. We got 6 bags, and that's local to our area.